Let me ask you something. Have you ever stood in front of the mirror and thought, I'm doing everything right, so why isn't my body responding? You eat better than you used to. You try to stay active. You've watched the videos, read the blogs, yet the weight stays, the energy dips, and motivation slowly fades. Here's the uncomfortable truth most people don't talk about. It's not that you're lazy. It's not that you lack discipline. It's that your body is overwhelmed. Overwhelmed by processed food, by decision fatigue, by diets that promise everything and deliver burnout. And eventually, your metabolism slows. Your gut becomes inflamed, and your body stops trusting food. So the real question becomes, what if weight loss didn't start with restriction, but with nourishment? What if the fastest way forward was actually simpler than we've been taught? That question led me down a deep research path. And that's where I discovered something called the Smoothie Diet. But is it real? Is it safe? And more importantly, does it actually work? Let's talk about it. What is the Smoothie Diet? The Smoothie Diet is a 28-day structured nutrition program designed to help reset your eating habits, support fat loss, and improve digestion, using nutrient-dense smoothies as strategic meal replacements. Not forever, not extreme, just long enough to create momentum. The plan replaces 2 meals per day with whole food smoothies, while keeping 1 balanced solid meal, which is critical for sustainability. This isn't a starvation cleanse. It's a metabolic reset. What health category does it address? Primarily, weight loss, gut health, energy regulation, craving control, metabolic efficiency. But what's interesting is how it approaches these. Instead of cutting calories aggressively, it focuses on nutrient density. And that matters because your body responds more to nutrients than numbers. How it works? The simple science. Here's the key principle. When your body gets enough fiber, micronutrients, and hydration, insulin response stabilizes. That means fewer cravings, better blood sugar control, improved fat-burning signals. Smoothies, when done correctly, deliver nutrients in a highly absorbable form, while giving your digestive system a short break. This can reduce inflammation and support gut balance. And when your gut improves, everything improves. Think about this. Have you ever noticed how much lighter you feel after a few days of eating clean? That's not imagination. That's biology. Key ingredient philosophy. The Smoothie Diet focuses on leafy greens, spinach, kale, low glycemic fruits, berries, healthy fats, chia seeds, flaxseed, natural fiber sources. These ingredients support satiety hormones, gut bacteria diversity, slower glucose absorption, no stimulants, no fat-burning chemicals, no false promises, just food, used strategically. Mechanism of action. What happens inside your body? Here's what typically happens when people follow the plan correctly. Week 1, reduced bloating, lighter digestion, cravings begin to quiet. Week 2, energy stabilizes, appetite control improves, the scale may start moving. Weeks 3 to 4, metabolic rhythm resets, portion awareness improves, weight loss becomes noticeable, not because of magic, but because your body finally feels supported. Who should consider it? This program may be a good fit if you feel stuck in a weight loss plateau, you struggle with food decisions, you want a short-term reset, not a lifetime diet, you prefer simple, repeatable systems. It's especially useful for busy professionals who want structure without obsession. How to use it properly. Replace breakfast and lunch with smoothies. Eat 1 balanced solid meal daily. Follow the plan for 28 days. Stay hydrated. Prioritize consistency over perfection. And most importantly, listen to your body. The pros, let's be real, simple and structured. Encourages whole foods. Easy to follow. Great for jump-starting motivation. Helps reduce overeating habits. The cons, also important. Not ideal as a long-term standalone plan. Can feel repetitive. Protein intake may need adjustment. Not suitable for everyone without customization. And that honesty matters, because no plan works for everyone. My genuine recommendation, if you're looking for a short-term reset, a way to regain control over food, a structured but gentle weight loss system, then the smoothie diet can be a useful tool. But if you're expecting a miracle or permanent results without lifestyle change, this is not that. Think of it as a bridge, not a destination. If you're curious and want to explore further, you'll find the official link in the description below. And just so you know, if you decide to purchase through that link, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It helps support this channel and allows us to keep reviews honest, independent, and research-based. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It truly supports the channel. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think structured resets like this work better than traditional diets? Drop your thoughts below. I read every comment. Until next time, take care of your body, take care of your mind, and keep building a healthier, wealthier life.